you drive or walk to Xinjiang and Xizang, there are some crucial devices which you may forget easily. The last one matters the most. We'll also send a phone which is suitable for a long drive. I'll tell you, to drive in Xinjiang and Xizang, even the paved roads are difficult. So you need the fundamental devices for rescue and safety. Things like the tire pressure gauge, car inflator, tail rope, and traction board. Since there might be a landslide in the front or rear which may trap you, so you should prepare food and water and blankets to keep you warm. If you need to walk when you get to the destination, basic sunproof stuff and repellents are also necessary. You also need long sleeves, including trousers and climbing boots. Any forest and rainforest may have leashes and other insects. Those things may keep you safe basically. There is a vital device in the car which may save you. A phone that can record your traces. Whether driving in no man's land or walking in a forest, you may lose the orientation. And the trace record becomes so important because any app which records traces may show your latitude and longitude. Even when you call for help, you may provide them so that you can be found accurately. Even when you're in such a forest which is like a maze, you can find the way I took just now. You may go back on the way you come. Look, on my journey, I'm using two newest Vivo Y300 Pro phones. Why do I take them? Because of their large batteries. 6,500 mAh. We record the traces and meanwhile check the map. We use it for 4 to 5 hours each day to record our traces on the journey, so I just need to charge it every 3 days on average. Which means, during my 8 days of recording the journey, I just need to charge it once or once a half, and it can work 4 to 5 hours to record my traces every day. That is quite convenient. It doesn't just have a large battery, but discharge-proof. The standby mode, there is still electricity after you put it there for 15 days. Even when there's only 1% of the electricity, you can still call 20 minutes. It supports a quick charge of 80 watts. Its 6,500 mAh battery can also charge other phones through its C-type port. I only installed a case on the outdoor phones because its screen is tough enough so you may throw it if you want. That is a durable phone. What it has is an equilateral covered screen. Its lightness is impressive. You need it to be light enough outdoor. It's also blue light proofed. The key point is it can be operated with wet hands, but useful when you check the map in the rainforest. A suitable thing for an outdoor guy like me.